In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 7 words you use almost every single day in Igbo language. Let's go. Please. Please is biko. Please. You use this almost every day. Please. It means biko. Please is what you use every single day. It means biko. Biko is please. Biko. Biko. That is please. Biko. Wait. Wait. You use it almost every day. Wait. Chere. Wait is called chere. Chere is wait. Chere. Come. Come is bia. Come is bia. Come is bia. Use this every single day. Bia. That is come. Bia. Stop means ose. Stop means ose. Stop. It means ose. Ose. That is stop. Ose. How come? We use this almost every time. How come? Makagini. How come? Makagini. How come is makagini. That is how come. Makagini. Where? Like where are you going to? Where? Ebe. Where is called ebe. Where is called ebe. Like where are you going to? Ebe ke naga. Where is ebe. What? Ogini. What? Like what is it? Ogini. What is called ogini. What is called ogini. Why? Makagini. Why? Makagini. Just like what? What is guinea? Why is makagini? Makagini. Why? Makagini. Makagini. That's why. Makagini. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.